Today we will discuss the new assignment about the reactions of alkenes. So here is the summary of reactions of alkenes. You can find here. So we are going to talk about alkenes reaction. Here is a exam practice. After the study of alkenes reactions, here we can see the summary of the alkenes reactions and we can undergo the practice of alkenes reactions. So here you can see that there is a brief summary of alkenes reaction. In the center of the slide, you can see that there is a very simple alkene, that is ethene. Ethene undergo hydration in the presence of sulfuric acid and water. So first of all, ethyl hydrogen sulfate is formed, and secondly, a final product alcohol is produced. Similarly, ethene undergo hydrohalogenation to form alkyl halides, and ethene also undergo halogenation reaction to form vicinal dihalides. Ethene also react with ozone in the reaction of ozonolysis. First of all, the ozonide is formed, which split up into aldehyde and ketones. Ethene also polymerized to give polyethylene, and finally, ethene can also react with hydrogen in the presence of Raney nickel to form industrial important product, that is ethane. So here are some of the reactions of alkene you have seen in the slide. Next, we will see that you can represent the reactions of alkene in this manner. All these reactions and their products are highlighted in this slide. Ethane react with sulfuric acid in the presence of water molecule. This reaction is known as hydration, and the possible product of hydration is alcohol. You keep in mind that whichever alkene reactant you will take, and then a final product will be an alcohol. A 2-carbon alkene yield a 2-carbon alcohol, a 3-carbon alkene yield a 3-carbon alcohol. Similarly, ethene and alkenes, all the homologous group of alkenes undergo hydrohalogenation, addition of HBr or HCl to produce alkyl halides. And you are familiar with the very famous Markovnikov addition in this reaction. Again, ethene also react with halogens, chlorine and bromine to form vicinal dihalides, vicinal dichlorides, and vicinal dibromides generally. Alkenes also react with ozone to form, and this reaction is called ozonolysis, to form aldehydes and ketones. So alkenes can be converted to aldehyde and ketones by ozonolysis reaction. Alkenes also undergo polymerization in the presence of catalysts such as titanium tetrachloride and triethyl aluminum to form polyethene. Ethene also undergo hydroxylation in the presence of KMnO4, alkaline solution of KMnO4, to form ethane diol. And finally, you have seen that ethene also undergo hydrogenation in the presence of Raney nickel to form alkanes. So different alkanes of the homologous group can be prepared by this reaction. And industrially, this reaction is important to form vegetable ghee from ethene. And here you can say another reaction in which ethene undergo oxidation to form epoxides. A very interesting and important functional group, epoxide, is formed. So you have seen here a quick summary of the alkenes reactions. Next, we will see the reactions of alkene by this summary. Here we have taken a very simple alkene, that is ethene or ethylene. Ethylene undergo hydration reaction in the presence of sulfuric acid. And first of all, ethyl sulfate is formed, and then ethanol is formed, and alcohol will be a final product. Similarly, in the second reaction, alkene undergo hydrohalogenation in the presence of HCl or HBr to form alkyl halides. So here is two examples of symmetry alkenes. Therefore, the alkyl halides are produced in this manner. But you will remember that if the reactants are unsymmetrical, then the Markovnikov rule will be obeyed and we will get the Markovnikov addition product. Next is the halogenation reaction of ethene, in which ethene react with halogens to form a vicinal dihalide. A vicinal dihalide is that compound in which the halogen atoms are present at the two adjacent carbon atoms. Next reaction is the ozonolysis of ethene. When ozone gas is passed through alkene, the alkene molecule first of all form alkene. First of all, addition of the O3 takes place and ozonide is formed. This molecule is known as ozonide. This ozonide, in the presence of water, split up into two products, that can be aldehyde and that can be ketones. Here you can see that here are two aldehydes are produced, but if you want to prepare ketones, then these hydrogen which are present on this intermediate species, these can be replaced by an alkyl groups. If you replace these hydrogen by alkyl groups, then you can prepare ketone from the ozonolysis reaction. So ozonolysis reaction of alkene produce both aldehyde and ketone separately. Ethene also undergo polymerization in the famous reaction. Large number of alkene molecules are taking part in this reaction in the presence of oxygen or peroxide at high temperature and pressure. And the monomers in these reactions are combined and to form a long macromolecule, that is polyethylene. The repeating unit of polyethylene is represented here. Ethene also undergo hydroxylation. In this reaction, ethene react with KMnO4 and the solution of KMnO4 to form ethane 1,2-diol. A product is produced which contain two hydroxyl group in their structure. A diol is produced. So this reaction is called hydroxylation, addition of hydroxyl group to alkene. Next reaction is hydrogenation. We can represent hydrogenation in this reaction as ethene react with molecular hydrogen in the presence of Raney nickel catalyst to form alkane. Different alkanes can be prepared by this reaction. And finally, alkene react with peroxybenzoic acid or oxygen. Both of the reactant can be used. Perbenzoic oxy acid can also be used for this reaction, and the oxygen molecule can also be used for this reaction to produce an epoxide. Here is the formula of an epoxide, which is called ethane epoxide or ethylene epoxide. So here you can see the summary of alkenes reactions. You can revise quickly the reactions of alkene by, here we can see the different reactions of alkenes and the different possible products. In the next slide, here we can see the practice test. In the center, you can see C2H4, which is ethene or ethylene. And this molecule can be given in the test, and you have to say that complete these reactions. The first of reaction is that alkene react with oxygen to form a product. Second reaction, alkene undergo addition of hydrogen in the presence of nickel catalyst. Third reaction is alkene react with halogens to form a famous product. And the next reaction is alcohol addition of HBr, hydrogen and halogen to alkene. Next reaction is addition of sulfuric acid and water. And what will be the product? Next reaction is addition of sulfuric acid to alkene. In the very next reaction, alkene react with dilute KMnO4 solution to form a diol. And next reaction is the ethylene react with O3 followed by, it means the alkene undergo ozonolysis followed by hydration to form the famous product. Similarly, the back arrow indicates that how alkene can be prepared. Alkene can be prepared by the reaction of pyrolysis. Similarly, alkene can be prepared by the in the presence of sulfuric acid as catalyst, dehydration reaction. So dehydration reaction can be can produce alkene as well. Next reaction is when we add alcoholic QH dehydrohalogenation to form alkene. What will be the reactant over here? Next reaction is dehydrohalogenation to form alkene. What will be the reactant over here? And finally, the partial hydrogenation in the presence of palladium barium sulfate to form alkene. We can also prepare alkene by the partial hydrogenation. So these back arrows indicate the preparation of alkene and the forward arrow indicate the reactions of alkene and the possible products. So here are the answer key of this alkene reaction and the preparation. Here you can say that C2H6, which is an alkane. Alkane undergo pyrolysis at high temperature. Then dehydrogenation takes place. 2 hydrogen are removed from here and alkanes are converted into ethene or ethylene. Next reaction is the dehydration of alcohol in the presence of sulfuric acid. When sulfuric acid, which is a dehydrating agent, is added to alcohol, water molecule is removed and we get alkene. We can prepare different alkenes such as ethene, propene, butene. All homologous group of alkene can be prepared by this method. Next reaction is alkyl halide, and when we add alcoholic QH in alkyl halide, the removal of hydrogen and halogen from the 2 adjacent carbon takes place and we will get alkene. Next reaction is by the removal of dehalogenation, removal of 2 halogen atom from the adjacent carbon atom to form alkene. Very next reaction is, it is the C2H2 is the formula of ethine or acetylene. Acetylene when react with hydrogen in the presence of palladium barium sulfate catalyst. The first product which will obtained is ethene. So a triple bond is breakdown and we will get a doubly bonded product, that is ethene. So here is the summary of the preparation of alkene and the different reaction of alkene you have seen in this reaction. So we can remind the alkene synthesis or preparation of alkenes by this reaction. First of all, if we take an alkyl halide and we will add alcoholic QH solution, then you can remind that the halogen and hydrogen removed from the 2 adjacent carbon atom and a double bond is established between 2 carbon atom to form alkene. So in this way, ethene is produced when alcoholic KOH remove halogen and hydrogen from 2 adjacent carbon atoms. Next reaction is ethine. Ethine when hydrogen is added to ethine, the 2 hydrogen are added across the double bond, across the triple bond, and a triple bond is breakdown and will get a doubly bonded product, that is ethene. The third reaction of alkene synthesis is that if we have a dibromide, then we add zinc. Zinc is dehalogenating agent. It will remove 2 halogen atom from the adjacent carbon atom in the presence of methanol to form alkene. So here you can see there are 3 methods of preparation of alkene. So in this lesson, we have learned the reactions of alkene and their practice. Allah Hafiz.